Hi guys, charity shops today. I spotted a book like this. I didn't buy it because it reminded me I'd already got one. I bought this new, probably around 1990 something or other. Don't know if it's got a date on it anywhere. First published 1994. It would have been around that time that I bought it, not long after that. It cost me 99 pence back then. I think it was in the charity shop for £1. But what it reminded me about was I made this one, the biplane, but I hadn't made the other two. So I thought I might have a little look tonight and maybe make this one, the Mustang. They're not pre-cut, you actually have to cut them all out yourself. That might be an idea. You need to be able to follow the instructions in the back there. You need some glue. I'll probably use this stuff, glue stick. And they do fly, or at least the biplane flew okay. So, let's have a go. Obviously I'll speed the video up. Some grease-proof paper here. So we need to leave that flat to dry. So I'll go and find a flat place to put it. Right, we can do a bit more to the wings. And then we've got to wait for it all to dry. So we cut that, and that, yeah. the other side of the tail. Come back tomorrow. I left them to dry overnight. So, wing, fuselage. Just check those bits didn't get glued together by accident. They seem to be okay. Okay. Still got a bit to cut out. Right, back to the instructions. Tail. And the wing, we've got to curve over the front a little bit. We've got to leave that to dry now. I might adjust it a little bit, but that's the finished article. Well, I've left it to dry. That's an awful lot of dihedral. If we do it all the way to the former, still feels a little bit damp, to be honest. That glue hasn't dried off fully. So whether it's worth trying to throw it and see if we get any sort of a flight from it. Might just give it a gentle throw, probably end in tears. Well, that's it guys. I'm going to admit defeat with this. I can't get a good flight out of it. I've done my best. It looks alright. Well, maybe it doesn't. It looks quite beaten up now because it's been bouncing off the walls and the ceiling and the floor. But before I started trying to fly it, it looked okay. They've got wheels on the stand there that line up with where the wheels would be. But I think you can see I've beaten it up quite a lot now trying to fly it. So I'm going to give up.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.